Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Facebook account. Here is a straightforward guide to help you enable this feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Facebook account using your username and password. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Select Security and Login. In the left sidebar, find and click on Security and Login. This section contains all the security options for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. Click on Edit next to use two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.